Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Surfer SEO for content ranking monetization, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Surfer SEO and press enter. Locate the official Surfer SEO website from the search results. Once on the website, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on the button to access the registration page. Fill in the required fields with your information, including your name and email address. Choose a strong password to secure your account. After entering your details, check for any promotional offers or trials available. If there is a trial option, consider selecting it to explore the features before committing. Once you've completed the registration form, look for the confirmation email in your inbox. Follow the link provided in the email to verify your account. Return to the Surfer SEO website and log in using your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the download section or application link on the dashboard. If there's a dedicated app, click to download it for your operating system. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. If no app is available, you can use Surfer SEO directly from the web interface. Familiarize yourself with the different tools available for content optimization. Start by using the content editor for SEO optimized writing. Explore the keyword research tool to refine your topics. Utilize the audit feature to analyze existing content for improvements. Once you've optimized your content, monitor its ranking performance. Adjust your strategies based on the insights provided by Surfer SEO. By utilizing these steps, you can effectively download and use Surfer SEO for better content ranking and monetization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.